Guys, welcome back to the channel for the realist, the brawlers out there. Today we are going to be analyzing these guys and deciding if their driving was backed by luck, skill, bad luck, or a lack of skill. Guys, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I want you in this awesome community at day one. Go down there and hit it right now. Staying in it. Yard sailed it. Yes, so that was quite the rowdy clip to get things started. I'm going to have to go ahead and say that that was bad luck because I have nothing but respect for the absolute full send. Guys, go ahead and drop a comment below what your favorite type of four-wheeling is. Personally, me, I'm an East Coast rock crawling, rock bouncing style of guy. Let me know your favorite. What is that, a good old Cherokee? Yard sailed it again. Crunch. The people's reaction says it all. Yeah, I'm going to have to go ahead and give that one, a lack of skill. He did not control the gyro effect of that rig. He was just all the way in the throttle, and it kicked him over and crashed. Lack of skill right there. On a set of treps. God, you don't notice how steep that is until you're watching that clip. Absolutely yard sailed the rig. I'm going to have to give that one a lack of skill. That is what happens when you're not paying attention and you let the front end get away from you. Absolutely wild how steep and how long of a roll that was, but he didn't have the right focus on that front end and how that front end could swing around. He just kind of kept trying to drive up and over the obstacle, and it swung him around down the hill. Lack of skill. Now that is a good looking rig right there. With the black wheels, I love that. You know, at face value, it would be really easy to say lack of skill, but I'm going to give that bad luck because he really did have that rear tire in the right spot to come up that crevice, and it just slid in and sent him over. So I'm going to give that bad luck. He definitely had a lot of skill. It just didn't work out for him exactly how he wanted. Tensed up behind the wheel, didn't drive out. Lack of skill right there. You've got to get in the throttle to bring the rear end back down to earth, which he did none of that. Lack of skill. Froze up, tensed up behind the wheel, yard sailed the brand new Ford Raptor. Nothing but crunch. So assuming he just stopped and froze up on this dune like that, I'm going to say absolute lack of skill. The truck got really cattywampus and sideways, and instead of driving out of it with that big Coyote V8, he just froze up and did nothing, and that's what happened. So he should have had the confidence to drive out of that, and he would not have crunched down the hill like that. Lack of skill. Lack of skill. And see, I don't understand why they're in an off-road race challenge course. I don't understand why he didn't have the forethought to drive out of that. I mean, he was already going down to the mud hole. Just get in the throttle to try to drive out of it. Lack of skill, in my half-professional opinion. Oh. I mean, I was going to skip that, but I'm going to have to say lack of skill. You've got to know your equipment better than that. And the fact that he had his hands on his head, stressed out, I mean, what did you expect out of that? That's a lack of skill if I've ever seen one. You know, I got to give it to him. That is some Brawler right there. I love the leaf springs, the simplicity, all skill. They built a truck that they can go have fun in, and they're on the tug of war strip showing out. You got to respect it. So I will give that to them. All skill. You know, I was going to skip this clip, but I got to give it all skill. He knew exactly how to get up that shelf. It sounded like it had a V8 in it, but the thing runs really good. He knew exactly how to hop up that shelf. He controlled the gyro effect, kept the front end where it needed to go, and just got up and kept on with his business. So I got to give all skill there. I actually really liked that clip. Skying it out. God, that is awesome. Yeah, I'm going to give that all skill right there. A lot of times when those guys are running, that's probably 120 miles an hour, they can get sideways in the air. It takes a whole lot of skill and balls to hold onto the wheel, be in the right gear, and keep that car going straight. And I just love, he's going so hard. He's got body panels flying off the car, but he's still just staying in it and getting to the finish line. So I'm going to give that all skill. Skying it out. I love the double shot. Yeah, that's some Brawler right there. I don't know what they did to it, but the lift kits seem to really handle that jump well, and they're just out there having a really good time. Had he broken it, I would have said bad luck, probably lack of skill, but the thing stayed together. They're out there having a good time. All skill. What more can you say? So this is my neck of the woods. This is Black Mountain Off-Road Park at the waterfall. He's going to get those 43s nice and sticky, nice and hot, and he's going to hook up and go right to the top. This is some Brawler. Yep. You got to give it to him. All skill. That is what you call textbook driving right there. Got up on the ledge, let the tires get a little warmer, a little stickier, a little hotter, and then he just turned the tires left and right, found that little edge over to the right, that tire hooked up, and pulled him right up. All skill right there. Guys, thank you for watching yet another luck or skill video, and I'll see you out there on the trail as soon as possible.